Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a text behind image designs in Canva in just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then start a new designs or open your old designs. And then next, just upload your image. And then next, just go to apps, this one, and then just search for text behind image. Like this. And then just choose this app. And then just tap your image. Like this. And then just tap on use image. And then just tap on add text. Just type your text. And then next you can adjust the positions and then color, font, just adjust it as you like. Okay, like this. When you're done, just tap on add text and then that's it. Your text behind image designs is ready to use like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.